Hi, I'm Stephen David Horwich, and I want to welcome you to our special study skill blog. Now, the name of this blog is Homeschool Study Skills, and while it does focus on the homeschooler, this blog provides posts and lesson plans that will improve study skills for any student, including your student, if he or she happens to be going to a public school or a private school. You don't have to be homeschooling to benefit from these lesson plans. Each post, and there are 6 of them, covers some aspect of study and improves the student's skills in that direction. Now, if you're a student or you're a homeschooling parent or you're a teacher, you understand that there is no set of skills more important than study skills to a student. Study skills enable the student to succeed at any study, and without them you can't succeed at any study. So these 6 lesson plans are very, very valuable to the student. We hope that you'll take advantage of them. Each one takes about a week to do. The posts are designed in this way. There's an article that explains how to do a specific study skill. Gives you lots of creative and interesting ideas. Then there is an actual lesson plan that gives you something to do at home to improve your study skills. After that, there is a special message just for homeschoolers as to how they can best apply that plan, that lesson plan. So, welcome, improve your study skills, get better at all your schooling. This is how we make a renaissance. Thanks for coming.